This is the Oraimo Bommpop 2. This is the headset, and you can also adjust it. And I really like this one because it fits very well when you just put it on. And there are some things that I don't really like at all, and there are some things that they should work on. So I'll be saying everything right here. But if you're new, just make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel for more videos right here on this platform. Know that I have a lot of Oraimo products that we will be talking about it. You can check them out in the comment section or the description. I have those videos that you can also check the review as well, the headset, the power box, and then also the smartwatch as well. All those videos are on this platform. If you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe because more videos there for you right here on this platform. So now looking at the Oraimo Bommpop 2, this is the Bommpop 2, and then we have the Bommpop 2S. There is a big difference between them, and the difference I'll be talking about it as well, so just stay tuned as well. Okay, and in the box we have the Bommpop 2, which is the device itself, and then we have Type-C charger and also aux for you with a manual that you can also check and look at one or two things as well. Now let me talk about the good thing. After that, I will talk about the bad side as well. Now the first thing I will say about the device is the battery. The battery is amazing. It can take you up to 2 to 3 days. For me, when I was trying this device, I just played music. It was just music, play, replay consistently at high volume for that period of time, and I monitored and recorded up to 2 to 3 days most of the time. And charging the device takes like 1 to 2 hours, and then the device is fully charged. It's amazing, like charging the device for that short time and then getting that long time is good and perfect, and I love it. With the charging time is short and it's okay for me. Now to talk about the sound, most people be asking, how does it sound? Is it good? How is the bass and all this? Know that the device is powered with heavy bass. So guess what happened? It is very good. It sounds very well. I don't know how to say. The device is good. Not just that this device was given to us for free for that long time before testing it, but fact is fact. Those using the Oraimo product can't really tell that the bass itself is good and it sounds very well. There is nothing that you will say about the speaker. Everything is on point, and I love how it sounds. And if you think that the bass is not okay for you, the bass is too high, you can use the Oraimo sound app and then you can regulate it as well. So I'll be showing you that later in another video, but everything will be in the comment section or the description, whereby you can regulate the bass, the auto, all these right there. Okay, so just stay tuned and like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Now getting into the controls as well, this device doesn't come with a gesture control. You don't need to just use your hand as a gesture. It just uses button, and this is where I will be talking about some of the bad side as well. Okay, and looking at the buttons, we have the plus sign and then we have the minus sign. Their mistake with the device that I will say that I don't like is that the plus sign is rather for going back. Okay, so if you have to increase the volume, you can just tap on that to increase the volume, but for back, or as in going back, or previous video, previous audio, it is the plus sign. So we all know that plus is addition, it is forwarding, but with the Oraimo Bommpop 2, it is rather sending you back. So when you tap on a plus sign, you tap and hold, it would rather take you back instead of sending you forward. So it was a reverse something. They have interchanged that feature whereby plus is for forwarding or next video, next audio, okay, whereby the minus is for previous video, previous audio. Okay, so that was my experience. That was what I noticed. I don't know whether it is for everyone or just my device, but that was my experience. Okay, so the plus has been interchanged with the minus, whereby you tap and hold, it will send you to previous, and then with the minus will send you to the next audio. I got it. All right, so before I continue, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Now looking at the device, most people will be asking me, how does the microphone sound? Are you able to make calls with it? How good is it? Okay, so I would say that with the call, it was perfect. It was good. The person could hear me, I can speak, and I don't need to be bringing the device here, okay, or just close to my mouth. When it is here, when I speak, the person hears what I'm saying. So I really enjoyed that part, whereby you'll be making calls, it will be just on, you just pick the call and then you can just speak free. After that, you hang up. The microphone is good. I don't know what to say about the microphone again. That's it. But one thing that I dislike about the microphone, which is not a feature that I think they did not add, okay, is that when you are on WhatsApp, okay, and then you are trying to send a voice note to someone, it doesn't pick the sound from the microphone on your headset, but rather your phone. Let me just show you right here. If you ever like, just use this opportunity to like this video, okay? So let me just say, okay. So let me say, subscribe to this channel, okay? So you could see that it is picking right here. Now let me send it far away. We are far away from it. Okay, it is connected. Let me show you. It is connected. Okay, you could see it is connected right here. Let me go to the Bluetooth settings, and then you could see that it has been connected to the Oraimo Bommpop 2. Okay, I'm still speaking, it is still recording. So as it is still connected as you speak, okay, it doesn't pick the microphone's sound, but picks the phone on. Okay, so now it is away, the phone is away, and we were expecting that the microphone for the boom pop 2 will be using, but no, it doesn't get activated. So when I bring it close, then you then hear very well that it was the phone microphone that it was using and not the boom pop 2. Now let me send it and then let's play it. So let's play and then listen. So it is playing here. Let me disconnect. Okay, now let's listen. It is speaking right here. Now let me send it far away. We are far away from it. Okay, it is connected. Let me show you. It is connected. Okay. So see, all this were when I was showing you. So okay, now I'm still speaking microphone's sound, but fix the phone on. Okay, so now it is away. The phone is away. You could see, you could hear it. As it is away, the noise has reduced. No, it doesn't get activated. So when I bring it close, then you will then hear very well that it was the phone microphone that it was using and not the boom pop 2. Now let me send it. And then so you just notice that it uses your phone asking for recording or sending, but that it doesn't get activated with the boom pop 2. Okay, so if you are someone who send recordings, voice notes to your friends, then using the device, know that it doesn't get connected. Okay, so you need to bring your phone close to your mouth as you speak. Don't be expecting the device to just get activated for the microphone of your WhatsApp. Okay, so that's one thing that I noticed that I did not like as well. So Raimo, I think you should work on it to see whether you can solve it. It will be very amazing, very good, because since the call is good, and if this one is also good, then sure, everything will be perfect. Okay, so these are some of the things that I saw that it wasn't good. If yours, or I know most of you will be watching the video, maybe you have it. If you're experiencing an issue, just drop it right now and then I will check it out. And just in case you want to buy this device, check in the comment section or the description. I have made a video that can take you through the step-by-step guide on how you can register and buy this this headset. Okay, yes, so just check right there and follow the steps and start buying from Oraimo. Now, what about the connectivity as in the range? So if you are far away, let's say you forgot you left your phone somewhere, can you just go a far distance whereby you will still get connected to your phone? Yes, for my experience, although sometimes I leave my phone and then get too close to like 100 meters and it was still working. Everything was working fine. I could hear, and even if I get a call, I can answer and still speak, and then the person will hear. Just that if there are objects blocking the connection between your phone and also your headset, you may experience some breakage because of the object in between. Okay, so the range is okay. The Boomp 2 headset is a Bluetooth device. It doesn't come with FM. Okay, so most of you will be expecting radio in this. It has no radio. It is just Bluetooth that you can just connect and use. And the device also supports dual connection, which means that you can connect your phone and also your personal computer at the same time. So your PC and phone all connected at the same time and you can use it. Okay, so it supports dual connectivity. I did not experience any issue on that one as well.